Two kittens back there just a minute ago. There's one, like you see, he's trying to break jail. He's trying to squeeze himself between the back of the cage and the wood. And we've got these kittens here. Whoops. That one's Snowball, who's on top of the thing. Snowy. Is that Snowy? No, that's Snowy right here. That one's Snowy. Bruce, Janine's saying. I like Snowy. But they're all going nuts. Look at them. These kittens have gone nuts, guys. Look at these crazies. Man. These guys are crazy. Look at these 4 white ones. They're crazy. That's one of the tabbies right there. There's the other tabby, look, trying to climb out. Trying to figure a way how to climb out, look. There's another one right there trying to break jail, look, caught him red-handed, look. Oh, Jade is going to make it. I think he's going to make it. Wait, he's he's doing exactly like you said other day about climbing out. These guys are getting nuts. Jailbreakers. Alright. Tune in next time for next episode for the cats rumbling and breaking jail. Catch you guys all later. Bye.